comment and subscribe our channel. Go.
What's up, everybody? This is Jason with International Diecast Garage, coming at you with another video. I'm gonna do another unboxing. This is a random box from my friend Mr. Ed over off of YouTube and Instagram, Mr. Alpha Diecast, good friend of mine. He just sent a big old box here. I've got this zoomed so far out you can't even see it. Just disregard my other stuff in the video. Use some of my daughter's artwork there to
Look, you're on.
help block out the
You got a sticker on it.
addresses to protect and serve. We don't want everybody knowing our address. I got this partially open, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it. Let's see what we got. Really excited. Me and Ed been sending some stuff back and forth. It's a lot of fun. Whoa, already something cool right there. Right off the bat. Wow, that's cool. Hot Wheels toboggan.
Look, your shirt.
Yeah, I'll be rocking that this winter for sure. That is cool, dude. I'll put that right back here. Nice haul of loose cars here. Sweet. Who don't love a good Lucy? Ed's got in store for us today. Go ahead and take these out so we can get a better look. Nice, McDonald's. Oh, that's cool. Got the old moon on there. Got Reese's on the back. Nice little throwback. 1998 Hot Wheels. Super cool. These out of the way so we don't get confused on what came in this haul. What in the world? Oh man. How cool is that? I think this was a Happy Meal toy. You guys may know. You can hit me in the comments if you know before I find out. I think this was maybe Hardee's. But that is really cool. A time machine. Let's see what we got on the bottom. Back to the Future. Nope. 1991 McDonald's. Got Doc hanging out the window there. That's super cool. Definitely going on my Back to the Future shelf. Love it. Alright, this is a cool one. That's two things that almost every kid likes. Racing and Gravedigger. Man, I tell you what, this thing's in great shape too. That is nice. Monster Jam. I don't know if this is an old one or a new one. Oh, 2023. This looks so good. That must have came with a monster truck. That's super nice. Very cool. Alright, we'll park him over here with that. Those don't go over there, honey. Sorry about that, guys. My assistant's trying to get in the video. Look at that, 442. This must be from the classics. Like a candy style flat paint. Man, that thing is bad. Very cool. Love those wheels. 2007. Yeah, I'm thinking that's modern classics. That's nice, dude. Appreciate that. All kind of goodies in here. It outdid itself again. Appreciate you sharing the Diecast wealth, brother. Ooh, look at that. If that ain't 1980s and cool. Mint. I'm talking about mint. That is nice. 1982. So that would have came out the year I was born in 83. This may have possibly been a release from McDonald's too. I can't remember.
The number on it.
Yeah. That is nice. Love that casting. I believe that's the Firebird. It's bad. Like a vintage Matchbox here. I'm thinking of super fast. Let's see what we got. Trans Am. Oh yeah. Got the Phoenix on the hood there. Looks like that hood opens. Dude, that thing's mean. I love the little yellowy, orangey tinted windows. That's pretty cool. Majorette Pontiac. That's cool. Background guitar playing brought to you by my daughter. That's nice. Got a little patina, still super cool. She got some life left in her. I dig it. We got another Olds right here. Oh, take that back, Chevelle. I think this is a 70. Nice little taxi model. Chinatown Blue. 70 Chevelle SS. Ain't that sweet. I dig it. Appreciate you, Ed. That's cool. That'd be the coolest taxi anybody ever rode in, right? Now, let's see what we have here. Some more Back to the Future love. I don't know if this is an old or a new one. That's nice. This one's super glossy. Got the newer wheels. Don't think I've found this one yet. Back to the Future Time Machine 2021 Mattel. So that's come out in the last year or two. Really nice. Love me some time machines. Okay. Let's do a little more digging here. Lay some of this out. Oh man. We got the main lines in here. Score me in. Appreciate you, man. Return fire is never expected, but always appreciated, for sure. Alright, next up. Wow, look at that. I don't think I have him. 2010 new model. It's in like a satin gold. Almost like the paint off the classics. That satin orange. It's hard to see on camera, but this is like a satin gold color. I love those DeLoreans. We'll eventually have to get them all. That's really cool. Ooh, here's another cool one. Hot Wheels City Custom 66 GTO wagon. Ain't that sweet? Even got the dog hanging out the window there. Give you guys a little closer look. There's the pup. GTO on the license plate. That's a sweet model right there. Yes, sir. Appreciate that, Ed. Ooh. 71 Dodge Demon. 2009 new models. So cool. Don't have that one. Didn't even know about it, honestly, brother. Definitely a sweet one. Cards Mini, too. I might not even open him. That is cool. Ooh, this is nice, too. Blue 80s. Hot Wheels, the 80s. DMC DeLorean. Yeah, that's a nice color on that one. I remember this a year or two ago. I don't think I have it, though. Appreciate you putting me in on those, Ed. Ooh, I seen this in the store. This is sweet. Hot Wheels Response Team 2010 Camaro SS. If I'm not mistaken, I think 2010 was the first year these modern Camaros came out. Dodge had about a 2-year jump on Chevy on that one. But that is sweet. Response Team. That color is just fabulous. Alright. Ooh, 15 Jaguar Type Project 7. Oh wow. He's all jacked up. So that one's been completely misspun from the factory. Front end's hanging all off. That's cool. See, everybody knows I love some airs. That is super cool. Alright. Whoa, what is this? Zuru Metal Machines. Man, that's just bad. I may have to crack that. Kind of looks loosely based on like a Camaro and a Supra had a baby. I don't know. Man, that's awesome. I'm thinking it's going to be a fantasy model. It just says Zuru on the bottom. Dude, that's cool. Appreciate that. Here's another one. Zuru Metal Machines. That is really cool. Yeah, these are nice. I haven't looked at these in detail since like I've seen them in the store. That is cool. That's kind of got 68 Mustang vibes to me. Super cool. Appreciate that, Ed. I'm gonna have to check them out. Hot Wheels Pro Racing Team. Ooh, Caterpillar. David Green. Dude, that's a sweet racing livery on that one. I like that. Looks like a good metal on metal car. This is a little throwback too. 96, so that's come out in 97, I think. Very cool. Alright, so we got one more in here. I'm gonna back this camera up and just open it with you guys. See what we got in here together. Ooh, that is sweet. It'd get me ready for Christmas early. Vintage hot rods. I'm gonna put this on display this year. And I'll totally be rocking my toboggan with it when I hand out Christmas presents. That is cool. Look at that. Purple Passion in there. Some kind of little hot rod. Maybe a 41. Oh man, that's cool. I think that may be called Sweet 16 right there. Very nice set. Appreciate that, Ed. Sweet 16. Remember when? Ford Vicky. That's what the other one was. Man, that's so cool. Oh man, I enjoyed it. So fun sending boxes back and forth. And always nice to see some cool new stuff and make some new friends. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Sorry if it took me a little while. Ed, man, thanks for everything, brother. This is a really, really cool haul. Another great box. Look forward to getting another one in the mail to you before long. Everybody out there, hope you're well. Take care of each other. Look after one another. Be kind. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for supporting our channel, guys. Hope everybody's well. We'll catch you later. Peace.
Like and comment and subscribe our channel.